Did you know the Eiffel Tower can grow taller during summer? It's true. Made of iron, the Eiffel Tower expands and contracts with temperature changes. During hot weather, the metal can expand up to 6 inches. Imagine that, a whole 6 inches taller because of the heat. Speaking of heat, did you know there's a place on Earth where it's always hot? It's called the Lut Desert in Iran, and it holds the record for the hottest surface temperature ever recorded on Earth. 159.3 degrees Fahrenheit, 70.7 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than most ovens. If you've ever wondered about the origins of the word quarantine, it actually comes from the Italian word quaranta, meaning 40. In the 14th century, ships arriving at Venice from infected ports had to wait for 40 days before they could dock. This was the beginning of quarantine as we know it today. Now, let's talk about something a bit more mysterious. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? 2 hearts pump blood to their gills, while the third heart pumps it to the rest of their body. But here's the really strange part. When an octopus swims, the heart that pumps blood to the body actually stops. This is why octopuses prefer crawling over swimming. It's just easier on their hearts. You probably know that honey never spoils. But did you know it's been found in ancient Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible? Archaeologists discovered pots of honey in the tombs of pharaohs that are over 3,000 years old. That's a testament to how well honey can preserve itself. And while we're on the topic of longevity, have you heard about the secret to a tortoise's long life? Some species of tortoises can live well over 100 years. The key to their longevity is a slow metabolism. They don't burn energy quickly, and that helps them age more slowly than many other animals. Speaking of animals with unique traits, let's talk about the axolotl. This Mexican salamander can regenerate entire limbs, its heart, and even parts of its brain. In fact, it can recover from injuries that would be fatal to most other animals. Scientists are studying axolotls to understand how they can do this incredible feat, hoping it will lead to breakthroughs in human medicine. Let's change gears and talk about space for a moment. Did you know that the largest known star in the universe is called UY Scuti? This star is so enormous that if it were placed in the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. It's hard to imagine something so vast. And while we're up in space, here's a fact about our own moon. Did you know that there's water on the moon? Scientists have discovered water ice at the lunar poles, which could potentially be used as a resource for future moon missions. This discovery could change the way we explore space. Back on Earth, here's a quirky fact about the animal kingdom. Sloths only poop once a week. This slow-moving mammal has a very slow metabolism, and it spends up to a month digesting food. When they do finally go, it's quite a big event. They climb down from their trees to the ground to do their business, which leaves them vulnerable to predators. And here's something that might surprise you about your body. Your bones are constantly changing. While you might think your skeleton is a static structure, it's actually being rebuilt all the time. Every decade or so, your entire skeleton is replaced by new bone tissue. It's just one of the many ways your body stays fresh and healthy. Lastly, did you know that the shortest commercial flight in the world lasts just 47 seconds? The flight connects 2 islands in the Orkney Islands, Scotland. The distance is only 1.7 miles, so it's faster than a car ride. But for those lucky or unlucky enough to be on it, it's a unique way to travel. Hello, you're watching BuzzWire here. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel.